Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm out here with the LS tractor and we're moving firewood because I need to get to the gravel behind the garage. So I'm trying to get that firewood pile moved into the woodshed here, and then I'm going to get to the gravel and start putting gravel here on my log splitting firewood station. So I'm going to keep going and moving the firewood in the shed, and then we'll start bringing some gravel over. Hello girls. Hello Kaylee. Hello Callie. Any eggs? Ooh, whoops, excuse me. Looks like we're gonna have an egg.
Oh really?
Yeah, one of the black ones is in there. Well, did she lay an egg? She just came out. Not yet. I messed her up. Maybe she'll come back. Hey, Squirt. Alright, here. Come here. I want to show you something.
What?
Let me grab a piece here. Come here. Right here is the dry stuff.
Okay.
So, what I normally do is I put the dry stuff here for the girls. That way, when I'm not here, they know what firewood to get. Then over there in the back, that's wood that we're going to burn for next year. So if you need any wood, just come here in the rack. It was getting empty, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All right, so this took me longer than I thought it would. I'll tell you why here in a second. But here is a pile of good dry firewood, and that should last through the rest of this winter, especially with how mild this winter has been. And then over here, we've got a nice start for next year. Got a lot more work to do yet, but that's a good start. All right, so getting the firewood over here took a little while longer because I was trying to get this tractor to do a regen. And ever since it got to 30 hours, which it's at 32 now, but ever since it got to 30, it's been wanting to do a regen. And at first I thought it was doing one because the light came on and it was flashing. So I was starting to mess around with these buttons here, pushing them back and forth, and I couldn't get it to go into regen. Well, what it was, I didn't have the RPMs high enough, so I cranked up the RPMs, put it around to 1800, somewhere around there. So then I came down here, pressed this button again. You gotta hold it, and then I'll show you a clip. The regen light came on as well as the high temperature light, and that's what you want to see. And both of them were solid. That means you're doing a regen. So after I did that, the regen lasted a little bit more than 10 minutes, I think. And then the regen light went off. You'll still have your temperature light on until the engine cools off, and then that light will go off also. But what's great about this thing, that was 30 hours I ran this thing before it did the first regen. Mine wants to regen every 3 to 4 hours. So that's a big plus with these new LS tractors. right, so this is what we ended up with. Pretty good for just an afternoon. I'm on midnights, and I didn't get started till 1 o'clock this afternoon. But I am very pleased how it's turned out so far. Now I wanted to get all this done because I've been splitting wood in the mud for years now, and I've been meaning to do this. I wanted to get the weed fabric down so, you know, the weeds don't end up growing up through the gravel. But yeah, this turned out nice. We still got some there on the edge to do once we get those maple logs split up. This log splitter is slow, but you know, it will split the hard stuff for me, the elm and the maple, so it's better than nothing. That's going to be it for this video. I gotta work midnights tonight, and I'm gonna go inside and eat some dinner and take a break. So we'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.